everyone, welcome to the Best Topic Show channel. In this video, I want to talk about depression and self-care methods. I feel lonely. I don't want to see my friends. I always feel like crying. Most of the time, I'm tired. I hate myself. I can't show interest in anything. I can't sleep well. I feel hopeless.
These are all feelings and thoughts that a depressed person may have. Depression is like a cloud that darkens everything in a person's life and takes away the joy of living. What causes depression? Depression has no specific cause, and usually there are multiple reasons for its occurrence.
Loneliness, poverty, unemployment, migration, physical illnesses, divorce, childbirth, or losing a loved one can be a factor in starting depression, and these reasons vary from person to person.
How can we help ourselves feel better?
Number 1. Be active. Exercise. Walk, run, and cycle.
Number 2. Talk to others. Try to share your feelings with your loved ones. They can help you think about issues and find new ways.
Number 3. Take care of yourself. Avoid the temptation to deal with depression through drinking alcohol and taking medication without your doctor's prescription. They may be effective in the short term but can turn into problems in the long run.
Number 4. Identify your negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones.
Number 5. Seek help from a counselor or psychologist. The Best Topic Show channel wishes you health and happiness. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.